Okay, good morning Year 9. I'm here to introduce you to sociology as a GCSE option. It's obviously not something we study in Key Stage 3, so it's quite a new subject to most of you. So what is sociology? So it is the study of groups and of people in society, all in the world in which we live. So it looks at different groups of people and why they do what they do and how society shapes us and influences our behaviours and beliefs. So from all the way from when we're young until when we are adults, how does society influence what we do as we grow up? So what sort of things might we look at? So why do some young people join gangs? Why are single parent families increasing? Why do we dress the way we do? Why do girls tend to do better than boys in GCSEs? Why do men commit more crime than women? We look at different sociological theories, which are viewpoints on social inequality. So how the world is equal and unfair. So for example, feminism or Marxism. And we also look at how sociologists conduct research. So all of those things are things that we will look at in GCSE sociology. And we do that through looking at four main topics. So first of all, we look at the family. So we look at different types of family, how families have changed over time. We look at the marriage and divorce and all sorts of things like that. We look at education, so what's the purpose of education, how different groups perform in educational environments. We look at crime and different crime statistics, who's more likely to commit crime, why they're more likely to commit crime. And we look at social stratification, which is basically inequality within society and different groups within society. And sociology as a topic itself is kind of based on lots of different discussions and debates and giving different reasons, agreeing and disagreeing why things are happening in the world today. So you'll learn all different theories and different pieces of evidence that you can then apply to argue why these things are happening. So how is GCSE sociology assessed? So you will sit 2 1 hour and 45-minute exams. They're both worth 50% of the course. The first one is the first two topics, so family and education. And the second exam is the other two topics, crime and social stratification. And the exams themselves are made up of a mixture of essays, with the largest one being 12-mark questions, and then shorter answer questions, of which some relate to different research methods, so looking at questionnaires and observations and how sociologists conduct their research. So why should you study sociology? What can you do with it? What different careers might it link to? You can go into careers in social work, youth work, things like international aid and charity, obviously teaching, media, marketing, the civil service, law or journalism. So there's lots of different career paths from studying sociology. So I hope that's given you something to think about, and I hope that you have some interest in sociology. And obviously, if you want to know any more about it, feel free to email me and ask any questions. But good luck in your options.